ka lang dito? Di ba ikaw yung taxi driver? Ha?
Gordon! Tama na! Gordon! Gordon!
What's happening here? I'm the general manager of this bus station. You! I think you have new facial expression here. Who are you?
Siya ho yung taxi driver na naghatid sa akin dito.
Ah, customer.
Oho.
How about you?
Siya ho yung nanggugulo.
You! I don't like your face. Automatically thrown out. Come on, out! Come on, out! Okay, miss. From now on, you have your own security agency with pre-delivery.
Salamat ho.
Guard, yatin mo.
Yes, sir.
Yung bag.
Nanding, salamat ulit, ha?
Ingat lang.
Punta ulit.